where their accommodation meets your budgets. And this is the accommodation of Danceville Resort. What are you waiting for? Come in, join us. Escape to paradise and win in luxury at Danceville Resort, where sun, serenity, and adventure meet. Danceville Resort is a beautiful place where you relax with your friends, family, relatives, or loved ones. Encounter nations, surrounded by dramatic landscape.
Located at Purok Waling-Waling, Barangay Alastasyon, Pulang.
What are you waiting for? Come and join us at Danceville Resort, located at Purok Waling-Waling, Barangay Anastasio, Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. Let's go! With the beautiful views.